Miguel, get out of there. It's cold.
Look how pretty. Ganda, no? We had about 15 over the weekend, and we're expected to get 12 inches more today and tomorrow. I actually love it. Sarap.